To fold and store your rowing machine, start by removing the connecting knob from the rail stand and at the end of the slide rail near the mechanism housing. Twist the positioning knob counterclockwise to untighten it slightly. Pull out on the knob and raise the rail up about 15 to 20 degrees. Then, lift the slide rail up to a vertical position. The positioning knob will pop back into place, locking into an upright position. You can retighten the positioning knob with a clockwise turn for a better hold. Fit the connecting knob into the underside of the screw hole near the mechanism housing so it will not get lost. Next, unscrew the connection knob on the rail stand and fold down the rail stand so it is securely out of your way. Fit the other connecting knob back through the folded down rail stand and into the screw hole on the out-facing side of the slide rail. You may now safely roll and store your rowing machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.